by heating up the oven onto 325 degree Fahrenheit. And then we also want to warm up our chocolate. Later we add a little piece of butter in here. So the heat has been turned off, and also the chocolate has been completely melted, including the butter. And let's take it away from the heat. So now we're folding in just 1/3 of the eggs into the chocolate mixture. What I also do is I throw in a little bit of pecans. So we grind them very quickly. Okay, that's it. And here we're going to prepare our water bath. Then we gently put in our cake pan into the water bath. Okay, all set. So our pan is in the oven and we want to bake it in this hot water bath until the cake has slightly risen. Okay, now it is perfect. Okay, and now we can just let it cool down, and then later on you can put it in your refrigerator.